Hello everybody, good afternoon or good morning. Welcome, welcome. Ali traders, welcome, good morning. Hello Tony Chan, good morning. All right, just ahead of doing well. All right. Dario, hello. Well, almost like, well, technically 2 minutes until the New York Open. So let's see what it's gonna be. We have a 15-minute fair value gap or CB right here. 15-minute CB. Let's see if it wants to go there or not. Are we going to push back to these highs or not? And we have some more buy side, obviously, but if we want to continue to drop, we can do so. Definitely we can do so. Manu Geekser, hey there, let's make some money. I agree 100%. 100%. One more minute. One more minute. New day, new week. Definitely, yeah. Money, 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 money. Money. Okay. 35 seconds and we're good to go. Let's see if we're gonna break through that CB. Or we're gonna tank down all the way. I'm very curious actually about that. What's gonna happen here? All right. We're gonna have an opening bell, so cover your ears. Don't say I did not warn you. So it's gonna be super loud, the opening bell. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. All right, broke through that 15-minute CB. Let's see how far we can get. We have these highs from London. I think price might want to push into the 460s short term real quick. So just be careful about that. And what else do we have? I think we have some, yeah, up to the 460s, I think so. Careful, all I can say. 461, right? Yeah, I think so too. Look at that, it's almost there. It's almost there, and there's 473 with the volume imbalance. And there you go, almost, there you go, 460. So we have a volume imbalance on the 5-minute from earlier at 73.50, should be taking out super easy. But let's just wait for a little bit. Let's just wait for a little bit more. All right. Can it go? Or it's just gonna tank. There are some good buy side levels up there, I must say. So anything is possible, in my opinion. All right, going back to the 15-minute CB. This could have been a fake out to the upside. All right, nothing special. Repriced the whole gap at the open. All right, what is down there if it wants to drop? Swept the highs, so that could be a bearish sign. Sweeping those highs. Asia high 523. Yeah, I was looking for that. 523, 532. I was also looking for those levels as well as a potential area to go to. So I don't know. Let's just say stay patient and watch this price action closely. If we look to the 5-minute chart, to the London session, there is a unbalanced price range at 73.50 on the mini, and also can be seen on the micro at 74. So I wonder if price is going to rebalance that price, and there's a 5-minute CB up there, also back to the new week opening gap. I wonder if it wants to do it or not. We're going to keep an eye out for that. Okay. Nothing so far. Nothing so far. Bunch of equal lows now. Yeah, that's true. That is also true. Lots of stuff. So I wonder if it wants to rebalance higher, or maybe it will tank all the way down. I wonder if it will do that or not. $15-minute definitely got swept. So I wouldn't be surprised on a drop or one more squeeze. All right, so what's it gonna be? Ray, good to see you back. Sorry, I wasn't looking at the chat. I'm looking if we have some kind of a entry or possible, I don't know, trade out of this. Could be a difficult scenario. Let's see if it wants to go into that 73. Now it's in there. That wasn't bad at all. Back to the new week opening gap into the 5-minute CB. And interesting though. Interesting that these London levels, and actually it was pre-London, and the volume imbalances, how precisely price actually goes for it and just repricing it just like that. You know, it always amazes me. Seeing the precision. All right, 5 minutes CB. Technically repriced. And new week opening gap, yes. Jack, hey there. Jules, what's going on? Bearish? A lot of bears. Bears are going to take control. Bull trap is incoming. Asia high is at 523. Don't forget it. My guess is that we're definitely going for Asia highs. That's what I think. The drawn liquidity could be Asia high, which is about 50 points up. Yeah, 100% move to the right. But I do like the theory that we could move to Asia highs on this one. What do you guys think? $523, or at least up to the 520s. Took a long position here. 2 micros. Nothing special. I don't even know I can show this properly because there's an issue with the I took it on the Apex accounts, but there seemed to be, okay, now it shows. There seemed to be a minor issue with the data, but now it's okay. If it starts to drop, I'll just kill it manually, obviously. Let's see. Are we gonna have a move? No, not really. Not yet. Anyway, I might close it then. What are you guys up to? Let me know. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. That's a 50-pointer. Come on. Yeah. What's up, the real folks? How you doing, man? Yeah. Just waiting here. sitting on the hands and just waiting. Oh, I wanted to trade some evals from ProfiTrade. Let me see. I think I have it here. No. Okay, this one might go. Let's see. Are we gonna go into the 90s? I wonder. Fast cow for $100. Let's go. That's how you do it. Hell, nothing special, the real folks. Just, you know, typical New York session, trying to figure out if we're gonna take out the Asia highs or not. That is all. Oh, you were working. Okay. Delta is my negative 290. Wow. That's not good for the bulls. After 7 years, better late than never, right? At least you got in. Almost 300 on your Bitcoin. Jesus, that was a good investment then. Let's see. What's this gonna do here? Still not going. Yep. Just holding this area right now. Nothing is really happening. I was actually curious if we actually gonna tap into the 500s or, you know, whatevs. But we might be tanking. As Ellie Trader said, we do have some juicy levels on the downside too. So nothing. Nothing so far. Patience. Yeah, the macro hopefully will give us some direction. VVN, hey. Yeah, I had a great weekend. Good to see you back. I hope you had a good weekend too. Yeah, gold is gonna go up to 3K. Ray, it's inevitable. It's like, it's booked. It's a fact. It's just a question of time that we're gonna go to 3K on gold. It's not gonna stop. Question is obviously when. And all these things, you know, about the war and everything, it's not good for. I mean, it's definitely good for gold, as it's, you know, the war is always raising some fears, concerns, you know. Are we going into the 90s or tap into the 500-ish level, or what's it gonna be now? I don't get it. I just passed the ProfiTrade evaluation account, by the way, which is great. Which one is that? This one. I just passed the ProfiTrade account. Nice. With micros. I was in with micros. The good thing is that it's a one-day pass and you can choose what kind of funded account you want to build up. It was a ProfiTrade. Thank you. Let's go, yeah. Volume is low for 5, yeah. I think we should be, you know, getting those Asia highs sooner or later, but let's see now the macro. What's it gonna do? I think it can go down, you know, reprice some 5-minute areas or something. Yeah, inside the new week opening gap, yeah. I just don't know. Maybe I should lower my risk. Because if we trade below this, then the Asia low is gonna have to wait. I mean, sorry, Asia high. Man, what's up with me again? Asia high is what I meant to say. Sorry. Asia high. Hey, what's up? Hello, Teacher FX. 100 points. Let's go. Nothing special. Hello, Teacher FX. Just, you know, usual. Just the usual. Waiting to see if price wants to go for Asia highs. Is all. Nothing else. Reza, hey man, good to see you back. Evening, morning. What's going on, Reza? How you doing? How was your Monday so far? By the way, huge announcement on my end. I'm starting to this week officially, actually starting today. I'm starting my weight loss program, or not diet, because I'm still going to eat, but I'm gonna count calories, and I'm going to take long walks, and I'm going to go to the gym, but most likely go out and run and walk and burn calories as much as I can, as my goal right now. So currently my biggest goal is to lose about 20 kilograms. It's gonna happen like at least in a year, but yeah, I have to lose a lot of weight. So I'm definitely overweight, and I need to lose that somehow. All right, what's it gonna be? Is it gonna push or what? No need to go starving. Yeah, you know, I hate starving. I already feel it because you know, I decided I'm still going to eat some fruit. Although I have to ignore sugar. I mean, I'm using sweetener to my coffee, but otherwise maybe some apple or something. But you're successful, bro. You're 500k top step. No. After struggling for a week, feeling relaxed now. Oh. Well, at least you could let it go. You can now relax. You know, that's a good thing, actually. Now you can actually focus on new accounts, you know. Your mind is now relieved. But I'm sorry to hear that, by the way. But, you know, it's part of the process. It's part of the whole thing. It's part of the game. Oh, wow, look at that. Okay, watching this closely. So what's gonna happen? Is it gonna go, or is it just gonna drop, or I don't know. Are we going to see an Asia high being taken out, or what? Sugar is the killer. Yes, everybody says to me that whatever I do, sugar is my biggest enemy. So, Jeff, hey there. Being a diabetic, I found that berries are much better than fruit. Oh, berries, sorry. Berries. Much better than fruits. Thank you for the info, Jeff. Actually, I was at the doctor, and not because of this, but he also told me my I don't know how you say it, your personal doctor, whatever. And he's a nice guy. He told me that, hey, Town, listen, you need to lose weight. It's not looking good. You're still young. You need to lose you need to lose that weight. And I said, all right, I'll try my best. So I need to lose weight. Exactly. De a sót azt szeretem. Trader Monk says, gotta lose the salt too. Salty food. I like salty and spicy food as well. You must walk 10,000 steps. Now, somebody told me this one as well. If I can walk 10,000 steps a day, exactly the same what you just said. If I can start with walking 10,000 steps a day, that's an extremely good start. And I don't even have to run or anything. Just walk 10,000 steps. I have a wristwatch. It's a fitness watch or whatever it's called, and it can count the steps and the distance and everything. So I'm gonna start with that. I think so. Dr. Anthony Cafe. Okay, Dr. Anthony Cafe. Let me write it down. I'm gonna write it down. Dr. Anthony Cafe. Anthony Cafe. All right, got it. Thank you. An Apple Ultra watch. I don't need that. That's too fancy for me and too expensive. You know, I mean, not that it's a bad thing. I have a nice watch myself. It's I got this as a present, but it's a classic one. But just to measure the steps, I'm okay with the cheap one. I just buy a cheap whatever. It counts everything. Negative calorie vegetables. Okay, so I have to take protein, right? So what about protein bars? Somebody also said to me, if I get super hungry and I cannot continue with my day, I should eat a protein bar. You know, that would help me out instead of just eating everything out from the fridge. I don't know. Blood oxygen, calories, track your sleep too. Oh, guys, I'm a very bad sleeper. I'm not a good sleeper. Actually, I'm always waking up. Huh. I just passed the let me check. Yeah, I just passed the evaluation account, and I already got the funded account. I already got the funded account from ProfiTrade. I just passed it like 20 minutes ago. I mean, I just have to set up my funded account. I got the link. Oh, the real folks sent me an email. Let me check it. Whoa. Dude, nice trade. Let me show it to the others. Beautiful. You bought here 5 micros, sold it here at 4. Beautiful. Congratulations. That's 50 points there. Beautiful. Congrats. Nice. Very nice trade. Very, very nice trade there. Okay, so far I have no idea what price wants to do here. Can it actually hold above the 500 level? That's what I'm curious. 1.3 grams of protein for each kilogram in your body must take. Okay, 1.3 grams. I gotta write this down. 1.3 grams protein per kilogram. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna be super exhausted by the end of the week about this diet. I'm gonna go out for these long walks. £320. What's the I'm sorry, what's the BF 15%? BF is something I'm sorry, I'm not good today with the acronyms. 320 pounds. How much is that in kilogram? Body fat, sorry. Okay, body fat. That's actually super small. dude. So you are, dude, you're big. I mean, 145 kilograms. Is that correct? 145 kilograms. Dude, you're a monster. I mean, in a positive way. I mean, dude. I mean, in a positive... You're like... Oh my god, I didn't pass the... Is this gonna go? I need $50 to pass the second evaluation account. It got me out at 988. Still need $6. Okay, I passed it. Second evaluation account passed. 2 out of 2, actually. So I passed this one with $3,000, and the second one $3,008. So two more funded accounts. Or 17. Yeah, let me check. Oh yeah, dude. I remember you sent me these photos. Yeah, I remember these photos. Actually, I'm gonna show this to the guys. Just to be aware who they're messing with. You know, this is Elite Trader. Oh, you guys don't see it. This is Elite Traders right there. So guys, if you say anything bad, you know, if you say anything bad, this guy is gonna show up at your doorstep. But dude, what a, you know, lot of muscles there. Dude. Lot of muscles. Yeah. I mean, this is crazy. You are building yourself up like, you know, this is a lot of work in there. A lot of work. A lot of work. 2 hours daily, Jesus, man. A lot of what I want to say, discipline, commitment. Okay, I closed one. One micro closed and putting the rest to break even. Because whatever, it can also just, you know, they can just dump it. Okay, anyway, perfect. Perfect. I got a little bit cold feet there, but... and these trades were made on 2 funded accounts. Yeah, nice. Super happy. Copy traded to 2 funded accounts. And I made another 400. Oh yeah, you guys see that. And there you go, just like that. We took Asia high and previous day high, and this is it, guys. The move is done. We're finished for today. That's it. that was it. I mean, this was the move for the AM session. This was the main general move. And I know we have 54 minutes from the silver bullet hour, but this was the main move, I think. Average BMW driver, no. 594. Oh yeah, we have this one here still. Oh, come on, I just want to okay. Buy side liquidity. All right. Asia high taken out. Heading to 594 then, it seems like. Okay, second funded account. Congratulations. Thank you. ProfiTrade. Did I got the certificate? No attachment. I don't have the certificate, but no problem. So by the way, I'm just gonna show you at ProfiTrade, I can already request the funded account. So this is what it looks like on the dashboard. You can pass an evaluation account, and you can already request your funded account with a click. So this is how fast it is. I just passed it, and now I can request the funded account. So that's good, I guess. I'm up 885 on this 25K funded. But that's good. I like that. The certificate is in the dashboard. Okay. Let's see. Account passed. Okay. Okay. Account. Okay. I don't see it in the dashboard, but whatever. Let's request the funded account. Upgrade account. Request upgrade. Request upgrade. Okay. Purchase PA account. And by the way, this is for you guys is somewhat new, because so if you pass an evaluation account, this is what you can do. You can choose what kind of each account is certificate. Oh, nice. I'm gonna check that. So if you upgrade your evaluation account, you can choose trailing drawdown with consistency, end of day drawdown with consistency, trailing drawdown, no consistency, and so on. So the highest activation fee is $219, and the cheapest one, lifetime, is $85 to $219 to activate. Interesting though, maximum achievable accounts per user is 20 but this one you can only have one no consistency end of day drawdown account. Only one. Quite interesting. Quite interesting. Anyway. Under each account. Ah, certificate. I see that. Okay. Certificate. Ho ho ho. Beautiful. ProfiTrader award. This is my first ever certificate from ProfiTrader. Beautiful. But to be honest, guys, I am going to go with the $85 purchase, because It's more than enough for me because I'm going for base hits. So I'm going for base hits and I don't really need... Oh Jesus, what is this? And I don't need anything. Okay, we're dropping back down. Seems like not going yet for the for the 94. It could be just repricing. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, going back up. Oh, there was this, yeah. Naomi, thank you so much. Hey, Trader Zoltan. Tomsabo. Yeah. It's a very, very rare name. Very, very rare name. Alright, so that's how fast it was. What do you guys think? Are we still gonna go for the 94? What do you guys think? I'm actually a little bit tempted to jump in. Oh yeah, ES. Yeah, let's check on ES. Like that's the move unless we slowly grind. Yeah, that's true. Let me check on ES for a second. Yeah, it didn't go for that level. What's the high is 906.50 and this one didn't go for it. Actually, it did on the micro. Whoa, what is going on here? Are we still gonna go higher? What is happening here? How far can this one go? Let me check on ES. What a move. What a move. Nvidia. Oh yeah. Monday not being Monday. It's not the same as it was before, right? So are we gonna go for the 94 or what? Then we should be pushing through the 50s real quick. What do you guys think about that? What's it doing? Is it gonna tank? I'm starting to like trading on Mondays. Yeah, I mean, it's interesting, but yeah, Mondays usually nowadays make the move and everybody waits for the next move at the rest of the week. And I don't know. I mean, are we going into this 94 now, or what's it gonna be? Need to have a poll on this. Yeah, so I agree, Naomi. I agree. 100%. ES made a tiny little push, but now it's getting weaker. Yeah, it's pulling down NQ, unfortunately. It's pulling down NQ. What a shame. It is what it is, right? I mean, we need some kind of a pullback. The 15-minute chart looks absolutely like a rocket going straight up. So we definitely need some kind of a pullback lower. Is there activation fee for? Yes, $85 lifetime. Lifetime $85. But I just passed 2 accounts, so I'm okay. I still have evaluations. I wasn't sure if I can pass 2 evals this fast. Guess I was a little bit lucky, but did you say in your... Oh, definitely. I see that rules. I like the new rules, actually. And I actually welcome the new rules. I am super happy about the new rules. Apex really needed to do this a long time ago. If they would have started with this like early in the year, everything would be much better. They would be over the hard part. So I couldn't be any happier that they done this. So yeah, I'm 100% okay. But I know many of you guys are frustrated. But if you think about it, Apex is just doing what other prop firms are doing too, to be fair. So but I understand it's frustrating for many people, because I was also taking out the safety threshold as well. That was my goal. Basically, the new rule, the major new rule, is that you cannot withdraw your safety threshold. You can only withdraw anything above that. And the other big rule is that you cannot let your drawdown on one trade go lower than $750, for example, 30% of your daily limit. If you pass your maximum loss limit, then your overall, then 30% of your overall profits. So per trade, you can let it go lower, but your payout on the next cycle or when you request it might gonna get denied. That's the thing. Which means until you're not reaching your 2,500 threshold on a 50K account, that number is going to be $750 per trade. So, but I think it's 100% manageable. There's nothing bad about that or anything, because obviously I don't want to let one specific trade go down to negative $750 on a 50K funded account, obviously. So I should be cutting my loss much earlier. So that's it. That is it. 8 days. No request period from now on. No request period. Minimum 8 days, and you have to have minimum 5 days above $100 to request the payout, but minimum 8 trading days. Super simple. Really super simple rules. Nothing special. You can now DCA. They're letting everybody to DCA the hell out of your account. You can DCA. You can flip. So you can no more flipping rule. That's it. Right now, I think Apex made the best choice what they could do. That's what I think. The new buffer. It's perfectly fine, Ruse. Think about it. I just said it. It's per trade. And just listen. You have $2,500 drawdown on a 50K funded account. So is it really good risk management if you let one trade slide lower than $750? But even if it does, you can just cut the trade, cut it at $700 minus, and enter a new trade if you want to. But I don't think it's really necessary to re-enter a trade at that level when you cut it with a loss like that. So I have no issue with that rule. Absolutely no issue. Proper risk management. That's the key. Nothing else. And everybody should be perfectly okay. So I'm actually super glad that they made this finally. Why didn't they make it much earlier? Apex would be in a much better position if they would do these rules earlier this year. Bullwagon ran out of gas. Definitely they do. They did. Yeah, the rest of the rules absolutely fine. And you can, by the way, check my community tab. I put out a summary in text about these minor. There are some minor changes as well. Nothing special, really nothing special. But the major rule is this: you cannot withdraw the safety threshold, at least not at the beginning. And that's it. And the 30% per trade drawdown. That's it. But that is completely fine. Completely fine. But the benefits is there's no more waiting. At the 6th day, there's a team specialized for every account that is eligible for a payout at the 6th day. They call it 6-day team. They're monitoring every account that is ready for payout, and they said they're even going to email you if they see something which is not particularly good. So before you request the payout, you can have an email that, hey, listen, we saw that you have this and this on your account. Please, correct this, blah, 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 and you can request a payout. We'll see, of course, how it implements in the days of trading, but when everything checks out, the payout should be done with the approval and the money on your bank account within 2 days. That's what they said. Within 48 hours on average, even with international bank wires, the money should be in your account. So that is a good thing. So I cannot have 10K loss on a 50K. No. No, not exactly that. The 50K account has a 2,500 safety threshold, maximum loss limit, right? So until you're not reaching that level, that $2,500 safety threshold, you can have one trade in a drawdown up to 30%. You can have up to 50% or your whole daily loss limit, but you're not going to be eligible for a payout. So it's not going to be a hard rule. It's not going to be a hard breach, but you're going to get maybe denied on your payout if you have a day like that when you let one particular trade go over 30% of your safety threshold. As your account grows, for example, your 50K account, you make $10,000 in profit over the weeks. You get up to $10,000. Then that number is going to increase, of course. So then your profits are $10,000, that your 30% is going to be obviously $3,000. So on one particular trade, your drawdown cannot be bigger than $3,000 in that case. But why the hell would you risk $3,000 from your $10,000 of profit on one particular trade without cutting the loss? That would be crazy, in my opinion. So I have zero issue with this. Absolutely zero issue. I think it's the best thing that they've done so far. It's okay if I have more than no. So 750 until you're not reaching the $2,600 account. I had 600 lost today on 47K account, and then it reversed back into positive. That's good. That's good. So if it went down to 600, but it reversed back into positive, you're 100% good. You are 100% good with that. Max loss should be more than. I agree. I agree, but what can I say? That's why you have to find your sweet spot. Which account is going to be your best to go with, you know? All right, trying to figure out what's going to happen here. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. So everybody was panicking, but I think it's super great. Depends on the trader, right? 12k losses and I recovered from them. Depends on your strategy. Yes, strategy, and depends on your account size. You know, risk management. You know, all that such. I completely agree. I completely agree. And to be sure, if you know what you're doing, 3 losses enough to get started. Yeah, exactly. It's only applying PA account. Yes, you can do whatever you want in the eval. Exactly, Ruse. You can do anything you want. Actually, I'm going to buy like a few more evaluations. I wanted to do this earlier, but I was with ProfiTrade evals. Now I'm going to do some Apex evals. You can do anything you want on your evals. Why do something different eval that you would normally do? That's bad. I agree, but there is no other way to get, you know, the fast funded account, right? So unfortunately, you know, it's a business, so you have to look at the prop firm's perspective too. It's a business for them. They need to make money on those failed accounts, obviously, and the activation fees, of course. So, hello, J-Man. What's up? Yeah, so the real folks, I completely understand. I know what you mean, and this kind of the crazy trading. What I do, I mostly do it with cheaper evaluations. But for example, I do want 150k now with Take Profit Trader, Elite Trader funding. I also trade now in MyFundedFutures. I'll try to manage risk on the evaluation accounts too. You know, because they're a little bit more expensive, but yeah, that's true. So it's building up bad habits. I agree with you, real folks. I agree. I know. And that's what makes them money. I know. But this is why trading is hard. Prop firms too. So it's not just the market. You gotta accept the rules, and you gotta. It's a mind game. So it's a mind game, and I agree what you say. I completely agree. It takes experience, a discipline, and also a separate strategy. I would say trading on evaluation accounts. But I get what you say there. Completely. I completely get it. And right now, in the sell-off, quite interesting. Look at this, man. Whoa, previous day high swept, and we're just taking the elevator down. Officially taking the elevator down. Whoa. Oh, what a move. What a move. Where can it go? Can it be a seek and destroy? Actually go lower than 342? Can it do that? Look at this drop, man. From the top, 131 points already. And it's just getting started. Completely repriced the 15-minute chart. Back to the midpoint. I can imagine this one dropping down. That's how most people pass it. Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Zoltan. Hey there. 58.80. So we wanted 59. Yes, then we went down. Yeah, it's just melted like ice cream. It's totally. Actually, I was looking for the which level was that? I was looking for the 90807 level ish at maximum. So somewhere around the midnight ish open. No, that was not midnight. Well, almost. Yeah, the 5908. So we got that actually, and now just melting down again. Relative equal lows on ES at 58.82-ish area. That's gonna drag down NQ. I have a feeling about that. That's just gonna drag down NQ, and we still have almost relative equal lows at 416, although this has poked into these lows down there. Gotta be careful. Nvidia bounced. Let's go. Let's go. Now I'm gonna trade a little bit more on my Take Profit Trader account. What Apex use in terms of pay the trader outside US? Bankwire, international bankwire transfer. They have a third-party payment provider. I think it's Plane.com, which is almost like Rise works. So third-party payment provider, and you add your bank account there, and that's it, basically. They do the KYC check as well, I think, yeah. So. And we're going down. What's happening with ES? Yeah, it's going down too. 82. Where is the sell side here? Wow, look at this drop. 82 on ES. This is going to go to all the way down to 385 maybe. I missed my entry up there. I'm not going to jump in. Wow. 58.82. It's waterfalling. Almost. ES made the new low. Metal selling off, gold tipping over. Instant 50-pointer, yeah. Look at this drop. 50 points, just like that. Let's go. Let's go. After this, I have no idea. You know, to complete the cycle, low-hanging fruit would be here at 368 as a minor sell side, but look at this. Look at this bounce, just to reprice. This just went up 40 points like in 30 seconds. I don't think you want to sit in 40 points bounce, especially with minis. What is happening? What is happening, man? I don't get this. Is this a dirty move? Whatevs. Print some money. The bear wagon. You jumped on the bear wagon. Nice. Let's print that money, man. Yes. Yeah, NQ hasn't. NQ can still do that. But yeah, ES got lower. Nothing. So ES swept the lows. Still one low left at 58.76. I'm not sure if it wants to go that, but the fact that NQ didn't still makes me wonder what could be the plan here. This looks like a sell model, in my opinion. And I might even take a short, who knows? Who knows? But I just don't like this. Oh, what's up? This is my MetaTrader. The indicators. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think my computer just froze. All right. Are you guys still here? Expose the indicator. I did. Why? It's nice for 3 minutes. You should be. No. Here. All right. For a few seconds, my computer was freezing down. All right. Which is the 38% discount? Did you short at the top? No, I didn't. I was actually long. I was going for Asia high earlier. Yeah, elevator down. Good morning, MB Trader. Good to see everybody. Quick $10 on MQ. Let's go, Prashka. Sorry, Pashka. So I was long actually, and I passed 2 more evaluations with ProfiTrade too. So that's good. 38% discount, but where is the 38% discount? I'm actually still thinking that maybe this one could go lower. Down to 368. But it might have to go up to 57 to take some more liquidity. I think it wants that. Or maybe not. Trying to figure out where could be the draw on liquidity. And it's just hard to decide. I feel like it wants to go back above 56 to reprice some gap up there in the 5-minute. Oh, sorry. Dude. I'm slow. Talking from on top and after some time, but oh yeah. 58 max on my, oh. And by the way, I think this one might go lower. I entered the short. Keeping it tight. Just a second. Which account is that? Where is it? Apex. I'm gonna use this one. It's take profit trader account. Here is it. Now this is an evaluation or test account, 150k. That's why I'm in with one mini, one full mini. One full mini. Everything is red. We may not consolidation. Yeah, I'm afraid so. That's my issue there. Too many accounts. Yeah, I do. I should be just focusing, by the way, on 2 or 3 accounts. Bitcoin down 2k. What the hell was with Bitcoin? What happened there? What happened with Bitcoin? Well, this trade is, I don't know. I was hoping that this one might go lower. I was just waiting for a proper retracement, and anyway, we still have time a little bit to waterfall down. I don't know if it will until the end of the we have the macro right now, obviously, so that's why I thought that if we have a retracement up here, then we might continue for the final leg. You're on the phone. I don't know how much is where is gold at right now. Gold tanked a little bit, 27.41 on futures. Took out some lows, but I think it's I got my full stuff enjoying English, Ben. I see. Oh man, I might have to kill this. Yeah, as Naomi said, we might go into consolidation. So I'm not going to force this account, but it's just an evaluation, so I'm fine with it. Yeah, could go into consolidation. Let me look the 5 minute. I don't like it. One hour. Dude, the 1 hour looks crazy. It might even look bullish. You know, went down here, swept these levels, and now ready to go back. Make some new highs. This getting a little bit crazy. Yeah, they do. They do. Mm-hmm. I might close this trade. I don't like it. We're past 11 a.m. I feel like it wants to go higher. You know, it swept what it wanted in the AM session. Now it might be better for a price to continue above 56. Yeah, I'm closing it. I don't like this. All right, close the trade. Could be going into consolidation. Tiny loss there, no problem. And yeah, the move is done for now. A+ trader, what's up? Kill him down if you can and don't listen. Oh, look, I closed it. Now it's going down. I don't care. I really don't know which way it's going to go. Minor sell side is 368. And there she goes. I closed the trade and she goes my way. I can't make this up. It's always like this. Dude. Oh, I love this. The FOMO, you know. Happens all the time, yeah. Yeah, John. I tried to laugh. But it was just an evaluation. If it was a funded account, I would have been a little bit more frustrated. But I'm okay with this. That's usually how it works, yeah. Okay. Whoa, David Pruids, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. Enjoy the stream. Oh, you didn't hear the applause, but you get an applause too. $58.78. Oh yeah, if it gets closer on ES. Yeah, ES. Did it take it actually? There was a level at 76 25 on the micro. It technically touched it. Yes. To the tick. Interesting. So it might want to go lower. All right, I think it's going through now. And it did. Let's go. So ES made it. ES made it through. Yeah, I closed it. I closed on it. Yeah, I took it. My TP was at 82 something down there. Look at the sun. The sun is shining. That's better. I wonder if you could sweep the lows. I think it will, but I'm not entering now. It will be chasing it on my end. I had a small loss there. I'm still holding the short. All right, J-Man. I think the level would be 382. That's the low-hanging fruit to break this candle low. And the minor sell side, which is technically almost like the similar low-hanging fruit at 368. So if it gets through this, wherever you are, consider to close partials or move your stop to break even, because volume could be slowing down here. And look at this. You can expect some small bounces here as others are in the market. I mean, the big players are taking, there you go, taking profit, and 368 should be the next one. I do have a little bit of FOMO, not gonna lie. Exactly. Yeah, Jacques, small profit, yeah. So if you guys are still in a short, consider to take a partial or put it to break even. My final low-hanging fruit TP would have been around 82.50 or something, just below this wick. So I would be out from this trade for sure, but it's up to you. There you go. 368, and might gonna be sweeping some more lows. I feel some FOMO, I do, but I just can't enter here now. It's just too late for me. It's too late. You're still holding it, Zoltan. Okay. Before the big bounce. Yeah, I would be very, very careful if any one of you guys want to go for the lows here. Interesting level though, because this low has been made during the New York Hill Zone. So 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I think the algorithm sees it. So 300 and 42, 43 could still be in play. But there could be a bounce. So if I would enter here to a short, that's what's gonna happen. I enter here, bounces back up, and then maybe. This is usually what happens when I enter to a short here. So I'm not gonna enter to scalp it. You were right. Definitely, I'm taking it super easy. You were right. You're up $1,065 on XFA. Oh my god, that is awesome, Funded Day Trader. Congratulations. Lock yourself out. There you go. That's a good thing. Congratulations. 3 contracts. Oh, I see. Yeah, Bertrand. So you guys can enter a short to scalp the end of it, but it can bounce back up there. You saw that earlier. It can bounce 50 points in 30 seconds, like nothing. Distance as I thought. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Jacques. So there you go. This is the bounce. Look at that. Boom. And it can go all the way up. Maybe in the PM session it will take it out. I don't know. I'm not going to sit in this. So there you go. I would have entered just there to a short. Thank God I didn't. All right, guys. I think this is it for me. I made some good profits there. On one of my Bulenox funded accounts, I made $431. On Apex, I made $180 each. So I'm above 52,000, 2,139 and $2,128 on those accounts. I also made another $100 and something on ProfiTrade account, funded, and I have 2 more funded accounts with ProfiTrade. And on Take Profit Trader today, I made 1,560 on the evaluation account, so that's good. That's all right. Gotta build those accounts, so I'm okay. All right. Thank you so much. See you, Zoltan. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I'll be back tomorrow in London session. The AM session is done for now. So everybody stay safe, be safe. If you would like to support the channel, please use my codes. I'm not a constantly profitable trader. So if you use my code, that goes to me to be here full time to support me. Thank you. All right. Cheers, everybody. Take care. Be safe. And see you guys tomorrow in London and New York too. All right. Bye.